guys! Hello guys! Welcome to Spam Life with Pane. And for today's vlog, merong nag-comment sa ating channel na kung ano nga ba yung mga eco-friendly activities na meron dito sa Manila. Meron pa rin mga eco-friendly activities dito na hahanapin natin mamaya. So, para pupuntahan natin, gagamit din tayo ng eco-friendly transportation. So, come with me. So guys, we're walking to save the economy. Ito na yung eco-friendly walk natin. Papunta kami sa sakayan ng tricycle. Papunta sa eco-friendly. Nasasakyan natin puntang Intramuros. Kasama ko yung videographer ko for today. Hi! Guys, lagi kayo magdala ng payong kasi hindi nyo alam. Umuulan, umaaraw. Hindi ko siya magets. Minsan uulan. Mamayang gabi, aaraw. Ay, mali. Uulan sa umaga. Ay, aaraw sa umaga. Uulan sa gabi. Diba? Nalito na. So, yun guys. Wait nyo kami maksak.
Araw ay gagabi.
Sabi ko nga, aaraw sa gabi. Balo ka ba, te? Nakasakay na kami sa tricycle. And yung fare dito is 13 pesos. Pasok na ako dito sa LRT station. LRT line. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung figure kung paano sumakay dito sa LRT.
The Light Rail Transit LRT system is an eco-friendly mode of transportation because it significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions by decreasing the number of private vehicles on the road. Powered by electricity, LRTs produce fewer air pollutants compared to gasoline or diesel-powered cars and buses, helping to improve urban air quality. They also contribute to energy efficiency, as trains can carry hundreds of passengers at once, consuming less energy per person per kilometer traveled. Additionally, LRT systems help reduce traffic congestion, leading to lower overall fuel consumption and emissions in cities. By promoting public transit use, LRTs play a crucial role in creating a more sustainable and responsible urban transport network.
So yun guys, nakababa na kami sa tren. So palabas kami ng LRT station. So yun guys, is nakalabas na tayo ng LRT. So, paglabas natin dito sa sa Recto Station, isasakay tayo ng tuk-tuk papunta sa ating destination na kung saan may eco-friendly activities. So, wait. Hi guys, nakarating na tayo sa Intramuros and we're on the hunt para hanapin kung ano nga ba yung eco-friendly activity na makikita natin dito sa Intramuros, which is ang heart of Manila. Mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo para mahanap natin siya. Let's go! Guys, nakikita natin ngayon yung hilera ng mga kalesa. Ayan. So guys, bago natin puntahan yung eco-friendly activity na yan dito sa Intramuros, itry muna natin yung mga food na pwedeng matry dito sa Intramuros. So, sobrang daming food stalls na nandito. Magta-try tayo ng isa dahil gutom na yung videographer ko. Laanan natin ang famous na Manila Cathedral. So, hi guys, ngayon malapit na tayo sa pupuntahan natin. Sabi sa amin is kailangan sa Manila Cathedral is 3 kanto. Mararating na natin siya. So, let's go. Guys, we're still walking. So guys, we're still walking para makahanap yung Bambay. Ito na ba yung unang kanto? Ito na yung unang kanto, guys. So guys, nahanap na natin yung eco-friendly activity na pwede nating magawa dito sa Manila, which is ang Bambay. So, ito yung mga bike na gawa sa bamboo. So, hi guys, nakapag-rent na tayo ng bike sa Bambike. And I can see na ito talaga isang eco-friendly na bike. Kasi gawa siya sa bamboo. And yung Kapag pupunta kayo dito, magdala kayo ng student ID para maka-discount kayo. This is 50 pesos per hour and itatry na natin siya. So hi guys, naikot na natin yung buong Intramuros gamit ang eco bike na to, which is yung BAM bike. Ngayon nandito tayo sa Fort Santiago. And sobrang dami din pong kalapate dito as you can see. And tara, mag-ikot pa tayo gamit ang eco-friendly bike na to.
BAM Bike in Intramuros offers a one-of-a-kind, eco-friendly way to explore Manila's historic walled city. The bikes are handcrafted by artisans using sustainable bamboo and abaca, creating frames as strong as steel with a high strength-to-weight ratio, certified to European safety standards. Riding through cobblestone streets past Fort Santiago, Manila Cathedral, and Puerto Real Gardens, the guided tours blend culture, history, and environmental stewardship while reducing carbon emissions and supporting fair trade labor. With BAM Bike, you get a gentle workout, immersive storytelling, and the satisfaction of making a green choice all in one memorable ride around